Alright, this is going to be a quick little video on my Hawk 982 12 gauge shotgun that I bought from Cheaper Than Dirt for about $190, and they don't seem to sell them anymore, and they seem kind of hard to find. I'm not really sure about the reason. I guess the demand is so high right now. As you can see, it's I've done a few modifications. As you can see, it's a different color. I Duracoated it, Duracoat copper. I think that's pretty cool contrast with the black. Came out really well. As you can see, I have a different stock on it. I have a Hogue overmolded rubber stock, which I really like a lot. Really good grip on this thing, along with the forend, overmolded rubber forend. I have a 4-shot GG&G side saddle, which really looks cool, especially paired with the Ghost Ring sight. It's just a cool contrast. Also have a GG&G single point sling attachment. Just really looks cool. And I upgraded the safety. I put a Nighthawk fast action safety. It looks very similar to the Vang dome safety, except it has a concave surface, so you get a better grip, a little bit better grip. Really like how it turned out. And down on the end, I have a choke 2-shot extension, and it's just about even. It's a little bit, just a slight bit further out, but it's basically even. And you can get this on eBay, but for some reason they don't sell it on Choate's website. I have no idea why they don't sell it on Choate's website, but they don't. But you can currently get it on eBay. And I just have a cheap tri-rail light mount and my Olight M20 Warrior flashlight. And this gun has a polymer trigger guard, not the metal trigger guard that you read about a lot. I did some research, and the current models are shipping out with polymer, but it's not a big deal. I don't expect to break this anytime in my lifetime. Just sharp looking gun. I couldn't leave well enough alone. $190 turned into $600 plus. But hey, it's my gun, my money. Alright, thanks for watching.